Hey there, plant fam. Welcome back to the Succulents for Beginners podcast, where we water smarter, grow happier, and leave plant drama at the door. I'm Ed, and today we're answering a question I get asked all the time on YouTube and from our growing community. What kind of water is best for my succulents? Rainwater, tap water, distilled water? If you've ever stared at your faucet wondering, am I hurting my plant with this water? This episode is for you. Let's break it down with facts, a few laughs, and some simple tips you can use right away. The truth: not all water is equal. Here's what most beginners don't realize. Water isn't just H2O. Depending on the source, your water might also include chlorine or chloramine, fluoride, salts and minerals, or even heavy metals. And while you might be fine drinking it, your succulent, not so much. Over time, these additives can build up in the soil, leading to leaf burn, stunted growth, or weird white crust around the base. Let's dive into each type and see what's safe and what to skip. Rainwater, nature's favorite. Let's start with the gold standard, rainwater. This is what succulents evolved with in the wild. It's pure, mineral-balanced, and oxygen-rich. When it rains in the desert, even once in a while, succulents drink it up like a celebration. So if you can collect clean rainwater, do it. Use a rain barrel, clean bucket, or even a large bowl outside during storms. But if you live in a highly polluted city or near factories, rainwater might pick up some contaminants from the air. So always collect during steady rainfall, not the first few minutes of a light drizzle. And of course, make sure whatever container you use is clean. We don't want your aloe sipping algae soup. Tap water, the common culprit. Now let's talk about tap water, the most common source. Depending on where you live in the US, your tap water may be soft or hard, filtered or unfiltered, chlorinated or fluoridated. In many places, especially with hard water, tap water contains high levels of calcium, magnesium, and salts. You'll know you have hard water if white chalky crust forms on your pot, your shower heads clog up, or your succulent leaves get brown tips over time. If you've seen that, it's not always from underwatering. It might be a buildup from minerals in your water. So what can you do? Easy fixes for tap water. Let your water sit out overnight. This lets some chlorine evaporate. Use a basic water filter, like a Brita pitcher. Flush your soil every few months with distilled water to remove buildup. Is tap water always bad? No. But over time, it can cause issues. If your plants are happy and healthy, you're probably okay. Just keep an eye out for changes. Distilled water, pure but not perfect. Next up, distilled water. This water is basically stripped of everything. No chlorine, no minerals, no salts, just clean H2O. Sounds perfect, right? Well, yes and no. It's great for avoiding buildup. It's perfect for flushing out salts. But it's also missing all beneficial minerals that plants might appreciate in small doses. So using only distilled water over a long time might result in nutrient deficiency, unless you're regularly repotting and fertilizing. Think of distilled water as a detox. Great for a reset, but not a complete lifestyle. I always use well-draining soil and pots with drainage, because honestly, the water is only one part of the puzzle. If the soil is soggy, even the cleanest water won't save you. One of my friends told me, "Ed, I just switched to rainwater and my cactus looks like it went to the spa." I told him, exactly. It just got a facial, a massage, and a tall glass of Fiji water. Sometimes it's the small changes that make a huge difference. Want to try something fun? Take 2 identical succulents. Water one with tap water. Water the other with rainwater or filtered water for 6 weeks. Observe the changes in leaf plumpness, color vibrancy, soil crust or saltiness, new growth. You might be surprised what a difference the water source makes. Join the conversation. Have you ever had issues with hard water? Do you use filtered, distilled, or even aquarium water? Let me know. Drop a comment under our latest video on youtube.com/@succulentsforbeginners. I always love hearing your stories, and I might feature yours in a future episode. Need a good watering can, filter pitcher, or soil flush kit? Check out my hand-picked gear at amazon.com/shop/succulentsforbeginners. And don't forget to wear your plant pride with our official merch, succulentsforbeginners.myspreadshop.com. Shirts, mugs, tote bags, fun, simple, and cactus approved. Coming up next, in episode 7, we're getting hands-on with something every beginner asks. What happens if I forget to water? We'll talk about plant memory, how long succulents can go without water, and how to rescue a shriveled friend. You might be surprised at how resilient these little guys really are. That's it for today, plant fam. I'm Ed. Keep those roots dry, leaves plump, and your plant shelf drama free. See you in the next episode.